Welcome to our course on the Unix command line interface tool, date. In this video, we will be focusing on the --debug flag. The --debug flag is used to annotate the parse date and warn about questionable usage to str. This flag is very useful when you want to understand how the date command is interpreting your input. There is no long version of the --debug flag. It is simply --debug. Now, let's look at some examples of how to use the date command with the --debug flag. In our first example, we will use the date command with the --debug flag and a simple date string. As you can see, the --debug flag provides detailed information about how the date command is interpreting the date string. It also warns us that it is using midnight as the starting time because we did not specify a time. In our second example, we will use the date command with the --debug flag and a more complex date string. Again, the --debug flag provides detailed information about how the date command is interpreting the date string. It tells us that it is adding 7 days to the current date to get next Friday. It also tells us that it is using the current time as the starting time because we did not specify a time. In our third example, we will use the date command with the --debug flag and a date string that includes a time. This time, the --debug flag tells us that it has parsed both a date and a time from the date string. It does not need to use a default starting time because we have specified a time. That's all for this video. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to use the date command with the --debug flag. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future content. Thank you for watching.